Imagine a world where your favorite fruits and vegetables never bruise or spoil. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the science behind this marvel. Engineers are using genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, to revolutionize the way we grow and consume food. By introducing DNA from different organisms, scientists can create plants with enhanced traits. Most GMO foods available today are plants like fruits and vegetables, designed to be more resilient and nutritious. These innovations could be crucial in feeding the world's growing population, especially in areas with harsh climates. But with great innovation comes great debate. Are GMOs safe? What are the risks and benefits? Manufacturers use genetic modification to make foods more attractive, resilient, and nutritious. Imagine apples and potatoes that don't bruise or turn brown. These are some of the consumer-friendly traits of GMO crops. Some believe GMO foods taste better, but there's no evidence to support this. In the US, farmers benefit from GMO crops that are more resilient, reducing crop and food loss. These crops have higher tolerance to herbicides, making weed control easier. They also resist certain plant viruses, increasing food security by reducing waste. GMO crops can withstand harsh climates like drought, heat, and salty soils, making them vital in food-insecure areas. Certain GMOs can even extend the shelf life of foods, further decreasing waste. Golden rice, a type of GMO, is engineered to provide higher levels of vitamin A, crucial in areas with vitamin A deficiency. Growing disease-resistant plants can lead to higher yields and lower costs for consumers. Despite the benefits, the long-term safety of GMOs is still under scrutiny. Concerns include potential allergic reactions, though these are rare and carefully monitored. For example, combining a gene from a Brazil nut with a soybean could trigger allergies in those sensitive to nuts. The World Health Organization advises against using DNA from allergens unless proven safe. There are also fears that GMOs could contribute to cancer, but no evidence supports this claim. Some worry about antibiotic resistance, but the risk is minimal and guidelines are in place to prevent it. Older research suggested GMOs might affect human DNA, but most food DNA breaks down before it reaches the large intestine. Concerns about toxicity to body organs like the liver and kidneys exist, but more research is needed. GMO crops could help combat climate change by reducing greenhouse gases and maintaining food supplies. However, risks include gene transfer to wild plants, impacting biodiversity. In the US, GMO foods must meet the same safety standards as other foods and are labeled if materially different. Common GMO crops in the US include sugar beet, canola, corn, potato, and soybean. These crops often become ingredients in other foods, like cornstarch in soups and sauces. Genetic modification allows for quicker, more specific changes compared to traditional breeding methods. The first GMO food, a tomato, appeared on the market in 1994, marking the beginning of a new era in agriculture. Stay informed and make choices that align with your values. Remember, the future of food is in our hands. Keep exploring, keep questioning.